Well, you gotta love springtime, because yesterday I was hiking in the mountains with my short sleeves on, and 2 days later, after a hardcore rain, it's cold, it's windy. Wind chill's like probably 25 degrees right now, and we didn't start early. I mean, if we lived in California, we'd be on time. It'd be 7 a.m. But I'm on the East Coast, so it's 10. It's the way it rolls sometimes. At any rate, we got a big property to go hit. We had a really good video last season about this time on that same property, and look forward to getting it off my list, because I like to get these properties off my list. Let's roll, man. So the big grass bank and that apron you saw along the backside, it's about 8 scoops of mulch to take that. And we're already starting this big bed. I'll show you right here. So this is before we put down the new mulch, and Dalton did the weed eat edging for us.
Back of the front? That, yeah. I think the back is bad. Craig, de-hood him.
Ah! This video is not over, but our day's over. We're gonna get more mulch tomorrow, because we got 10, 15 more scoops to do, and we'll be out of here. I'm not leaving. Remember? I'm not leaving. The video continues. See? I told you the video wasn't over. It is Friday, so good vibes to all you wonderful, amazing people watching this video, whatever day of the week it is. Good vibes to you. We are back at the scene. 5 more scoops to begin with, and 5 more scoops to finish it out with. Hopefully, that gets the rest of the property finished today. If not, Dalton and I will come out, do a couple scoops tomorrow morning, and that's just the way it rolls. Springtime. You may not get the weekends off, but just keep knocking off your list one at a time. Right, Ty?
Absolutely.
Let's get to work. So we're gonna finish out this bed. So we got started on, the whole backside's mulched already. Goes in the back a little bit. We'll hit underneath here, and I'll come up here to the weed eater, hit this apron around these big holly trees, hit the tree rings. And then we gotta come over here and do some cleanup, and I'll hit this bed with a weed eater, and we'll go down the road today. Like I said, we may or may not get everything done, but we're putting a dent, because no matter what, 224 scoops of mulch for the spring season is a lot of mulch. Definitely a little bit of madness here. I'll show you what we got done. Got one more load for the day. I don't think we squeezed two. We'll try. So you see here the rhododendrons have these beautiful buds on them. Do not trim rhododendrons. You'll lose the flowers. This is where we started. And yeah, pretty long row down the road.
B-roll.
Oh my gosh, wait, never mind.
What?
Gotcha. For me, it's Friday. Time to go home. We did 10 scoops of mulch today. Property looks amazing, and very proud of the boys. Dalton and Tyler have been knocking it out for the last 2 weeks straight with me, and good vibes here for sure. Hey, much love, and remember, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace, Elite Landscape style.